one of the strengths I think that we bring to the table as a team is that kind of one-on-one interaction with the customer, and whether it be the implementation consultants or a solution engineer, going on site, being with the customer and giving them direct, experience with the product.
It's not us going in there and saying, this is how you do it, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, boom. That's not the way it works. We have to have a team with the customer, and we build a partnership.
So while we're on site, we do what we call our basics training, and we have usually about a room full of 12, and we have an agenda and exercises that we go through, and it's a teach the trainer type or train the trainer type of approach. So we give the subject matter experts the training, and then the thought is for them to go out and train their teams.
We work with you to put the agenda based upon how you will be using the product, and then when we get into class there, if there's an item that you're interested on, we can then go and adjust the agenda to cover that information.
Our application consultants really are responsible for training our end users, or maybe the customer's supervisors who will then be doing the end user training them on how to use the application, how to move within the system, how to configure it themselves so that after they make the changes, they might decide later on that they want to make additional updates, and they can do that themselves.
Taking multiple systems and creating an interface and pushing all of that information into one system, that system being Quantum, or whether it's helping from an enterprise content solution, our ability to be able to do that is exceptional.
What I like best about my job is the people that I work with and the customers that I deal with. A lot of our customers have been with us for a long time. You get to know them more, not just from a work perspective, but also from a personal level. And so that's a good part of being here.